conversation, but there's no one around, and with no one by my side, it's taking a toll on my pride. I leave work, and when I get home, I don't even wanna go inside. Memories from my past are the ones I try to avoid. The house that used to feel like home now feels empty and cold. It doesn't feel right, sleeping alone every night, but I'd rather be alone than keep on fighting every night to be happy again. It might take a miracle, but I'll try with all my might. So I keep telling myself I'm gonna be fine, everything will be alright. I gave you all my time, I gave you all my trust. I'm still holding on to what is left of us, but love cannot survive when only one heart tries. So tell me where you stand and look me in my eyes. Girl, I don't wanna live without you. I'm there for you. So why don't you care for me like I care about you? Girl, I don't wanna live without you. I'm there for you. So why don't you care for me like I care about you? I spend almost all of my days, baby, thinking about you and how things got this way. I thought that we were in love, but right now, girl, I don't know what you want. I make sure I give you quality time, but lately it feels like someone else is on your mind. You're sitting beside me, but you feel so far away. I'm trying to reach you, but you have nothing to say. I don't need perfection, I just need the truth from you. Tell me if your feelings change, tell me what you're going through. I can handle honesty, but I can't handle being used. I've been giving you my heart, why you leave me feeling confused? I'm still willing to try, but I can't do it alone. I need to feel your love when I walk through the door. I'm not asking for the world, just the effort that is due. Because every time you need me, I'm always there for you. Girl, I don't wanna live without you. I'm there for you. So why don't you care for me like I care about you? Girl, I don't wanna live without you. I'm there for you. So why don't you care for me like I care about you? Sometimes I'm not sure that I'm all you've got. You tell me not to worry, but your actions say a lot. One thing that I am certain of, girl, I care for you. And the one thing that I want is that you care for me too. I remember when your smile could turn my whole day around. Now I'm searching for that feeling, but it cannot be found. We used to move together like the rhythm and the sound. Now I'm carrying the love while you keep putting it down. I don't wanna lose you, but I won't lose myself. I can't keep giving everything and getting nothing else. There's still a little love, and put your pride up on the shelf. Let's repair what we have broken before we damage something else. Meet me in the middle, don't leave me standing here. Love should bring us closer, it shouldn't disappear. Give me something real, give me something I can feel. I don't need another promise, I need something that can heal. Girl, I don't wanna live without you. I'm there for you. So why don't you care for me like I care about you? Girl, I don't wanna live without you. I'm there for you. So why don't you care for me like I care about you? Babe, I care about you. I'm always there for you. So why don't you care for me like I care about you? Babe, I care about you. I've been faithful, I've been true. All I'm asking from your heart is that you care for me too. I'm there for you, I've always been there for you. So why don't you care for me like I care about you? Like I care about you.